Hello everyone, this is Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to review 5 Indian outfits from the brand called Indya, which is perfect for different festive occasion. So let's get started. So the first outfit is this gorgeous front slit maxi kurta. It's a beautiful mustard color. I have paired it with these beach parallel pants for that classic elegant look. Next, for styling, I am using these gold peacock round earrings, a rose gold rado watch, a bangle, a ring and a bindi. Next, finishing it off with these chic gold heels, and here's the final look. The second outfit is this dreamy pink maxi dress. It feels like a Disney princess moment. I have accessorized with these beautiful earrings, adding some extra bangles, the same watch and the same heels. Doesn't it feels like a fairy tale outfit? Third outfit. Oh, before that, let me just give you a heads up on how I styled my hair. So I just made a puff and then tied my hair like this, and then made a bun and tied with this rubber band. Just added a fun twist. Instead of traditional gajra, I styled my hair using this necklace as a creative jugaad. Here I just twisted the necklace and rolled it over the bun, and I secured it with a bobby pin. Here's the final look. What do you guys think of this little twist? Let's talk about this outfit. It's a beautiful pink pre-stitched saree for all the girls out there who loves wearing saree but don't know how to drape them, just like me, making it so effortless with no draping required, just easy to wear. So this fourth outfit is another pre-stitched saree, this time in a stunning teal color. It's called the Buta foil ruffled pre-stitched saree, and I have paired it with yellow crop top. It's from the same brand, which I purchased it separately. Here's how I have styled this simple yet elegant look. And finally, I am wrapping up with this gorgeous lavender sequins maxi kurta. Comes with an attached dupatta. So for accessory, I went with these earrings, a silver fossil watch, bracelets, and with a clutch. Lastly, wearing these heels, and I'm done. I just love the flare. That's my review of 5 stunning outfits. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion tips. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.